How many think I can hit? Rocks, toads, frogs, hamsters, chihuahuas. I just freaking slammed my car. Wow, the distance on that one.
You want to sit?
I was just wondering if you wanted to sip. I
was going to give it to you. The funny part is how you almost grabbed it and I pulled it out of your hand. Not so much the joke. It's just funny to see you get like so rejected. Okay, now Mr. Tea Kettle, you can stop.
Tea Kettle.
Here, take a look.
Is it nasty? What am I looking at?
This
Myself?
Yeah, that's you.
Why
That's
what's
you.
It to me? I know it's me.
That's you.
The beach is nasty.
$9.60.
Nine, okay. Here's $2.
That's $1.
Oh, that's here's 2. I'm being stupid, I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
There you guys go.
Oh man, this is 2 credit cards.
Have a good day,
You
guys.
too. Dang, she smiled. She was pissed too at first. The song reminds me of you at certain points.
Oh yeah?
A lot, yeah.
Stumbling over myself at a party I wasn't invited to. You won't like me and I'm too ashamed and too afraid.
The whole song I was like, that is cold. This guy
Every
is
single
cold.
line. Especially when he was at that party he wasn't invited to.
Yeah, that's cold.
That's him. Dude, this is your theme song. I'm gonna play it every single time. Every time you show up on the video, I'll have this in the background.
Nobody likes me.
Makes you want to punch somebody in the mouth.
Moshing in public with headphones on.
Oh,
Start hitting people. Bam! 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 Putting grapes in people's belly buttons on the beach.
Oh, that's good, dude.
Isn't that so funny and random? I'm pretty sure it's still out there. I just found some.
Really?
Yeah. Wow. But they didn't get it. That's so funny. Some of the kids at school had like such good relationships with their moms. They'd send them notes in their lunchbox and stuff. My mom did too, but she'd send me notes. It's like, it was a drawn picture of her spanking me when I got home from school. She's like, this is coming. I'm like, oh, my mom wrote me a note too.
You're getting a spanking when you get home. I took the TV out of your room.
You open it up. Your father and I are getting divorced.
Because of you.
Because of you. So funny, dude. Holy crap.
You see?
Oh, do it to people, spray people,
Yeah.
pedestrians walking. You can't escape. Dude, I'm dying. I don't want to do those kids. Actually, yeah. Like, it doesn't get old. Man, it's so low tide out today. Like Star Wars laundry detergent. That's what Cole said. Cole's like, I didn't say that.
My dad used to stare at the sun every morning, and he'd put pepper in his eyes. Whatever book he was reading, this welded up on fire with all kinds of different pepper in his eyes. He'd rub it in his eyes. He'd be staring at the sun.
Your dad is too much, dude. You crazy wild man.
I feel like I'm my mouth's right over the so all the crap's going right over.
Squeezing all the turds into his mouth. Yeah, do a cartwheel and I'll hit it between your legs. Oh, that was close. Dude. Do it again. Dang it. Did that hurt?
Nah, it's alright.
Did it hit your shoe?
No, it hit my shin.
Hello everyone, my name's Ross, and today we're gonna have a great vlog. Jeez, dude, I thought you were hanging yourself.
Almost did.
Let's give Mama a heart attack.
So
It looked like a beheading.
Jeez, like with his hands in like one of those things. Oh, got him!
Alright, don't be scared.
You telling me not to be scared? Oh!
No, it's like right here.
No more, dude. No more.
That was close. Hey, it was good though.
You're crazy, dude. That's a cute cat. What's your kitty's name? It's Santa Paws. Like menopause, but Santa. That's his name, is Santa Paws.
Not because it's dog paws, but because it's menopause.
Because the lady was in Christmas attire. Because you're old enough to be going through menopause.
Wait, her or the dog?
Her. That's what I'm saying.
That's a little messed up.
Check out Elliot's lunch we made him. So cute. He's gonna love that. This was the actual note. We replaced it. Like, he's gonna open that and like have to ask his teacher, what does this say? You're getting a spanking when you get home. Thanks for taking his order first. I get my order taken and then Cole goes, all right, I'll go first. And remember, when you think about trying, just think this. I ain't gonna try. When you think about trying, Cole, what are you gonna say?
God is on your side.
No, I ain't gonna try that. What are you gonna say, Cole?
I ain't gonna try.
That's right, he ain't gonna try. I don't think you could have said anything like opposite. What are you gonna tell him?
God is on your side.
Have a good day. Oh.
Stay in school.
Like, dude, come on. I just yelled it a couple times. I ain't gonna try.
About 5 times right before I said, what are you gonna say?
We'll set a trap of, put a cardboard box with it propped up, a unicycle under it, and then he'll walk up to it and be like,
I know who that is.
I ain't gonna try. That's what he'll be like.
I know, I forgot.
Oh, Cole, there's no hope. That'll be like the running joke. Cole will never know what I'm about to say. You don't try to make me try.
Again.
But I have work to do. I want to go back to her or talk to her or something, but yeah, I miss her a lot. I try to talk to Cole about it, but he just doesn't understand. Cole, you always know just what to say. He might be saying the right thing, I just can't understand him. He was the smartest kid in class, but nobody knew it.
Oh man, that's for sure. I like that, Billy.
He'd raise his hand and tell the teacher the right answer to the question, but she never understood him.
Everybody looks at each other.
And then the next kid says the same thing, Cole goes, oh, come on, that's exactly what I said.
He just said exactly what I said.